আরে তুই আর কত ছবি তুলতি?
আরে বন্ধু জায়গাটা ভীষণ সুন্দর।
We are here in a deserted place somewhere. আমার এই জায়গাটা এত বেশি ভালো লাগছে না। We should go somewhere for a long drive. Where shall we go?
So I've heard about
আর কত ছবি তুলতি ভাই? বুঝছ তো?
I've heard about this place called Dumboor.
ডুম্বুরে যাবি?
Yeah.
আমারও ইচ্ছা আছে অবশ্য ডুম্বুরে যাওয়া।
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get the beep out of here.
Today we are going to explore Dumboor then.
But
আরে তাড়াতাড়ি আয় তুই। তোর পার্কোর স্কিলসটি দেখাই একটু।
ভাই এখানে সিঁড়ি আছে, পার্কোর করে করতে। পার্কোর স্কিল দেখাতে আমার দাঁত ভেঙে দেবে বাবা। চাম্বালিয়ান।
ये हम है, ये हमारी कार है और अभी हम डुम्बुर जा रहे हैं. I think you should check the map right now.
Showing 2 hours 45 minutes, 74 kilometers. So we are basically
eventually.
भाई सामने लिहाज है किंतु big bridge.
maximum 8 ton, bro. I think we'll be safe. No.
Do you hear something right now? I'm sure you hear. Let me just take a pause for some time. Just look at it right now. The entire water which is basically flowing. I guess we have a bridge out there. It's a viewpoint probably. So we have just arrived here and basically right now we are going downstairs. So from there we would be basically taking a boat and we would be going to some of the islands out there. So from there let's try to book a boat and we'll be probably exploring, going for a water safari. Look at this guy, look at him. Look at him. থাকলে ভালো লাগতো।
তুমি থাকলে তুই হাত দিয়ে করলে তোর হাত দিয়ে গেল গেলে।
Honestly, this place actually reminds me a lot about Sundarban and it almost feels like an ocean out here. Now look at the view out here. ये हम हैं, ये हमारी बोट है और इधर हम पार्टी करते हैं।
ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है
और इधर हमारी पार्टी हो रही है। We are here in Narkel Kunja. That's the name of the place. Take a look how this place looks like. Kind of very deserted place, surrounded with lots and lots of coconut trees. You know what, normally whenever we come to a place in weekends especially, we get lots and lots of people. Today here in Narkel Kunja we have absolutely very less people today, so we are just taking a walk around the entire area. Speedboat which is basically non-operational. Ekটু water activities থাকলে ভালো আসলো. So we are going to take a walk around this entire place, just explore what all are the spots out here and just see around, you know, how this place looks like. So guys, just taking a walk around this place, and honestly right now there isn't much to explore. We just explored throughout the periphery and entirely. So right now it's almost time to go back home, and I guess we have enjoyed the time.
Very much.
Yeah, so but we did not spend much time, but we still had our meal, explored the place a bit, we had fun. So
If
anyways,
we came a little early. we could
yeah,
have-
probably if we came a little bit early we could have enjoyed even more, but nevertheless
Yeah.
it's fun.
Yeah.
So anyways, it's time to end the vlog, and if you have enjoyed this vlog for whatever reasons right now, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel then please subscribe, and also comment like what do you like and what do you dislike about the vlog, and share it among your friends and family. With that said, I think I'll see you in the next vlog. Probably we will see you in the next vlog, and till then, bye bye. Take care.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put